In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. First, open the Binance app or website and log in to your account. Make sure you're on the official Binance platform and connected to a secure network. Once you're signed in, you're ready to move straight into the purchase flow. From the home screen, look for the Buy Crypto section. Click Buy Crypto to open the purchase options. This takes you to a simple interface designed for fast, beginner-friendly purchases, so you won't need to deal with complex trading charts or order types. Next, choose Credit Debit Card as your payment method. This option lets you buy quickly with a card you already use for everyday purchases. It's convenient and straightforward, and the fees and exchange rate will be shown before you confirm. Now, select the asset you want to buy. Choose Bitcoin and make sure you see BTC listed as the ticker symbol. This ensures you're purchasing the correct asset since there are many cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Enter the amount you'd like to spend. You can input a value in your local currency such as P or dollars, depending on what's displayed for your region. As you type, Binance will show you an estimated amount of BTC you'll receive, the current price, and any applicable fees. If you're new to this, consider starting with an amount you're comfortable with and reviewing the preview carefully before continuing. Add your payment method by entering your card details. Type in the card number, expiration date, and security code, and make sure your billing information is accurate. Only enter this information directly in the Binance payment form and never share card details elsewhere. If the option appears, you can choose whether or not to save the card for future purchases. Before you finalize, review the order summary on the confirmation screen. Check the amount you're spending, the BTC you'll receive, the price, and the total with fees included. When everything looks correct, click Buy BTC to confirm the purchase. That's it. Your Bitcoin will be delivered to your Binance wallet almost instantly. You should see your updated BTC balance reflected shortly. In rare cases, there may be a brief delay while the transaction is processed. You'll also get a confirmation on screen so you know the order went through. And that's how to buy Bitcoin on Binance from start to finish. Log in, go to Buy Crypto, select Credit Debit Card, pick BTC, enter your amount, add your card, confirm, and click Buy BTC.